Awesome. Well, we are elated that you are here. Welcome. I have to give a big thank you to Liz. Liz is the reason we are here at Carey Founded. It's powerful when you begin to share your vision and your ideas with other people, which is the magic of a networking experience, right? And so if you haven't already begun to do that, I wanna permiss you, challenge you to begin to do that, because that's when the magic happens. In 2015, 2016, I started an entrepreneur support organization called Triangle Entrepreneurial Leadership. And so in the midst of working with entrepreneurs, I really quickly realized that there was just some financial challenges. And so we started a financial education program because I believe in this. It's hard for me to do a whole lot on Zoom. I believe we got to come together and do this. And so I was taking a walk in my neighborhood one day, and this whole idea of get serious came to me, and I was like, wow, we do need to get serious. Well, get serious about what? For those of us who are in the entrepreneur and small business space, ownership space, what are we most serious about? Y'all talk to me. What are we most serious about? Well, what have we been most serious about? Yeah. Anybody? Like, does your business sometimes tend to consume you? Like, does your business tend to be the thing that you focus the most on? Well, let me ask the question, like, is at the end of this thing called life, what do you want to have accomplished? What will be your legacy? Because you will have one. A lot of children talk about how they don't want anything to do with grandpa or dad's business because the business took them away from the thing that was most important, which was themselves. And so Get Serious is really all about, what do you need to get serious about in order to create for yourself and your family the lifestyle that you really truly desire? And this thing called life, number one, we get one chance at it. Number two, I was just sharing that it is the biggest project that you will ever take on. We plan everything else. We design everything else. We focus on everything else. What is the lifestyle that you want to create for you and your family? I believe that someone's in the room that can maybe grab you by the hand and pull you along and say, you know what, let me help you get serious about that. And who can I help? Who can I support along the way? And that's really what this Get Serious idea is about. This is our second networking experience. We also hold a men's brunch, but we want to do something for the men. And there'll be many other things coming down the pipe under this Get Serious umbrella. My name is Ryan Ray. I literally do this because I want to see people win. I want to see people live the life that they want to live. I want to see people have the results in their life that they want to have. And if we could do it on our own, we probably would have already done it, right? And so we need one another. No matter what they say out there, we need one another.